Today's topic is Rakshabandhan. Here we are going to draw a brother and sister, where sister is tied a rakhi on brother's wrist. For this, first we draw a circle, and now with the help of black color, here we draw hair part, and now two eyes. Fill that hair part with the black color and face part with light skin color. Now neck. With the help of blue color, here we are going to draw his shirt. Now draw his pant. You can use any color chalk as per your choice. We are going to draw his boots. We are going to draw his palm, back side, as he is hiding his sister's gift. Draw his second hand like this. Now we are going to draw Rakhi. Fill color in pant and shirt part. Now we are going to draw his sister. For this, first we draw a circle and then a face. Now her hair and her frock too. Fill color in frock and in face section. Now draw his eyes as well as her hairs. A small ribbon on hair. Now legs. In this way our picture is ready. Do practice at home.